Hey everybody, Jason here. Got asked a very interesting question today, so I just thought I'd share my opinion with you. So the question was, do I think that obesity is a mental or physical issue? So what I'm going to do is just do two videos. The first one just covering what I believe are mental issues, and my second video just the physical issues. So the first thing I believe is that you can't really blame obesity or picking up weight on one thing. Everybody's case is totally unique, and everyone's reason for picking up weight, is totally different. Do I think it is mental or psychological? Yes, I do. I do believe it can be. If you look at anorexia or bulimia, that's obviously a psychological issue. So why can't obesity, also be a psychological issue? When you'll be walking in the street and you'll see a really obese person, you'll think to yourself, how do they let them get themselves to that point? And I believe that obviously anorexia, it's basically just a distorted image of yourself where they believe they're overweight when they're not. And likewise, obese people or overweight people think, well, yes, I've picked up a little bit of weight, but it isn't really that bad. So yes, I do believe it is a psychological thing, and what you've got to find out is basically what has triggered that psychological issue. So it could be anything. It could be disappointment, it could be depression, and those things will lead to you, seeking comfort in eating. So comfort eating, and comfort eating can actually be as addictive as some class A drugs. It is just, you can see for yourself what effect it has on people. But also, just because you're obese doesn't obviously mean you have a psychological issue. And like I said, what you need to do is basically break down to why it is that you are in the situation that you are. So breaking down and asking yourself, why? So yes, I'm overweight. Why am I overweight? Well, because I eat crap food and I don't really train. So why is it that you eat crap food, and why is it that you don't train well? It takes effort to eat proper food, and obviously it takes effort and time to exercise. So why don't you have that time to do that? Because I work from 8 in the morning till 6 in the evening. So keep breaking down, and obviously if you break that down, it becomes a time management issue. So what you need to do is do yourself a to-do list. So take 5 minutes at the end of the day, plan your next day, and I guarantee you, if you just sort out what it is that you have to do the next day, give yourself little time limits, I promise you'll find at least half an hour in your day where you can actually make proper food and spend 10-15 minutes training. So that's it for my psychological issues. Watch the next one and see why I think there are also physical issues causing overweight and obesity.